Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video I will show you how to get full screen contact photo on iPhone incoming calls. Incoming calls on iPhone used to show on full screens, and that is when you could see the caller ID photos. The new banner notification for incoming calls on iPhone doesn't show the contact photo unless you pull the notification down to the full screen. To enable full screen contact photo always on your iPhone, you should enable full screen incoming call alerts first. Let's see how to do that. First, open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap on phone. Tap incoming calls located under the section allow phone to access. By default, the banner is selected. Go ahead, choose full screen. Go back to save the changes. Now open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Tap the contact you want to assign an image to. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Now select Add Photo towards the top of the screen. A set of icons will appear. Choose the gallery icon to browse the images on your iPhone. Select an image that you want to use for your contact. Use your finger to move and scale the photo so that it is positioned within the circle. When you are satisfied, tap Choose. Now you can choose a filter for the photo if you want. Tap Done. Again tap Done. When you are finished on the final page, tap Done. That's it. This was today's video. Hope you understand how to get full screen contact photo on iPhone incoming calls. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and share, and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.